These eyebrows look like distant cousins. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna make it work. Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new foundation. I'm going to be testing out the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Maple. I was in Ulta earlier today picking up a replacement of my Tarte Shape Tape and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And let's just say I am proud that I finished my Brow Wiz. I think I bought that Brow Wiz pencil like 2016. It's now 2018. And I think I bought it like spring of 2016 too. So I think I finished it around the time that I bought it. So I was just kind of moseying around Ulta, found this foundation and was like, let's swatch it. So when I swatched it, it actually looked really pretty and the coverage looked nice. It looked like it was my shade. The next shade, it listed the undertones. Thankfully enough, it listed the undertones in the store on the display. So it was the next one from this one. Like this one was yellow and then the next one was like a golden. So I have yellow, golden undertones. The next one down from this was red. That ish said red. And I was like, ooh, that's definitely not me. So hopefully this works. Like you can see, look on camera, you can see in the bottle, it's a little light. It looks a little light. Didn't look too bad, but yeah. When I was in the store, I swatched this one and the one above it where I would be, and the one above it was a little too light, and this one just looked really perfect on the back of my hand. So we'll see how it looks on the face. Hopefully it's not a flop. So let me grab my beauty blender, which is behind me. My damp beauty blender. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. If this does not work, this is going right back to Ulta. This is going right back to the store. I'm not keeping nothing that doesn't work for me. If I can return it, I'll return it. Okay, let's put a little bit on the back of my hand because I wanna, let me prime my face. I did put some Too Faced Hangover Primer, the cream one, all over my face, but I like to double prime with a spray as well. I feel like the cream one fills in my pores. If you see me looking this way, I'm looking in my mirror. I feel like the cream one fills in my pores, but I feel like a spray primer just really like refreshes my skin. So I'm going to use my Hangover 3-in-1 priming and setting spray. I feel like that's blended in my face enough. All right, I'm gonna just take a little bit of this on the back of my hand and I'm gonna dot that a little bit on my face and I'm going to blend. Okay, in my mirror, this looks nice as hell. I did not do any concealing. I wanted to see the coverage of this without any concealer. But in the mirror, this ish looks nice. This looks like this will be a really good match for me in the mirror. On camera, this doesn't look too bad. Like I'm looking at my viewfinder and this doesn't look, I don't look crazy. So, listen y'all, I get excited when I find a foundation that works. Hopefully this doesn't oxidize and become orange. Oh man, Heavenly Father, please, no orange. All right, so I can still see some of my blemishes over here, so it's definitely something. It says that it is ultimate coverage, whatever the hell that means, but it's lightweight, oil free, creates a second skin effect. It's a breathable cream, flexible coverage with a natural long wearing finish. So this is probably something that's going to be along that light to medium coverage type of deal. So, but it seems to be buildable, which is always a good thing. I also hope this doesn't make me look gray. Now I put more on in the viewfinder, I look a little pale. But over here, it's like, girl. All right, I'm gonna keep going. And I think I'm gonna, instead of putting this on my hand, I'm going to put directly on the face and see what happens. But the smell isn't too bad. Nothing, it's not like super overpowering. It's a little silicone-y smelling. I think that's the best way to describe it. I feel like this foundation would be better blended out with a brush. Because usually the only foundation I blend with my, usually the only foundation I blend with a sponge is my NYX foundation. So I'm gonna spray some Urban Decay Chill Spray, wet my brush a little bit because I feel like that just helps my foundation glide on better. Okay, so now that it is all over my face, I feel like I look really pale in the viewfinder, but I don't look like super pale here. This is really weird. Like I feel like I look a little gray. I don't know if it's my lighting or what, but we will say. All right, so I'm gonna go about doing my face the usual way I would, which would be, I decided to switch from a brush to a beauty blender because I didn't like how the brush was moving around the product, so I went back to a beauty blender. I didn't want to pack a bunch on my face because I felt like that just wasn't going to do me any favors. I remember a time when I used to hate cream contouring, but that was mostly because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. Now, every once in a while, a girl does not mind cream contouring. Right, and now I'm going to use some bronzer. I was going to actually like contour, but I think I'm just gonna go in with my ColourPop bronzer in the shade, well, doesn't have a shade on here, it just says pressed bronzer. Gonna hit my face some more with some chill spray. Alright, and I'm gonna move on to blush. Going into my Juvia's Place blush palette, the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. I'm going to take this shade Tau. I'm going to mix it with Yara. I like an orange kind of peachy blush, but this palette does not play when it comes to pigmentation. Ooh. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? The Beauty Blender is your friend. It picks up excess product. Yeah, it's a little better. And just for a little bit extra tone down. There we go. That's better. That's better. That's better. It's like, I don't feel like I look crazy. Hit the face one more time with some cool down spray. Oh, my eyelid's creasing again. I have to put some more setting powder. I'm gonna bake my eyelids. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bake my eyelids. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Anastasia x Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter collection. I hit my face again with some chill spray. Focusing on the perimeter where I'm going to highlight. I'm not going as ham today on highlight. Me using my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I have been loving this mascara as of lately. Right. Let me find something to put on my lips. I want to do something natural, but I also have been dying to try to use my ColourPop Luxe Liquid Luxe lipstick in the shade Getty. Look at this. Look at that.
Be on my line, on my tip all the time, yeah. Love it when you make me feel like you don't mind when I ain't got time for you. You know it don't go to my head. I'm only beginning, bed. I just love to know you wanna spend time with me instead. Now you all caught up, yeah, you all caught up, and you done left me alone, yeah. You was all fed, ready for the next step.
Alright. Hey. Ooh, I love this lipstick. It's so comfy and so cute. Ooh. And the glow. Girl. I think this looks cute. I'm gonna do some check-ins. I'm gonna wear test the foundation. I wanna see how well it does. I'm gonna go outside and take some pictures. Right now, looking in the mirror, I look like a pretty good match, but you know, I've got foundation, powder, everybody's on. So we'll see. If I don't love it, it's definitely going back to the store. If I love it, then I'm gonna keep it. So I'll see y'all soon. Okay, so this is my face at the end of the day. It's about 1:30 a.m. right now. I put on my foundation at like 6 is when I got done with full face. Like all of like here broke up. All of this broke up literally like a couple minutes after putting finishing my face. I got like this little bump that appeared. Yeah, I've got like some little bumps that have like appeared after putting on my makeup. Broke up around here too. These little bumps just freaking appeared. Yeah, creased all in here. So yeah, and not to mention, the foundation ended up being too light for my face. Getting outside and taking pictures, taking some selfies on my phone, I realized that it just was a no. It just did not work out. So I'll be returning this foundation. Worth a try, I guess. I wanted to do more check-ins, but I ended up having to go to the store and making dinner, and I just didn't get a chance to. So, yep. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there are any other foundations you guys want me to try, and I'll do my best to get my hands on them and give it a whirl. See you on my next video. Bye.